what do your Yammer numbers look like? What are the adoption rates? How do you measure success? What does that look like to you, and what trajectories have you seen?
Yeah, so it really wasn't until we started looking at the data, and before we didn't have data, but we worked and partnered with SWOOP Analytics, and this tool gives not only those who truly care about the analytics, but actually all of our employees the opportunity to take a look at the data. And so through that, we were able to not only see the data, but then tell the story based on the data. And so I'll speak from North America. We use it globally, but in North America, our numbers when we first started onboarding were, hovering a little below like 9% or so. As I speak today, in North America, we're above 25% active engagement. And a lot of that is attributed to the tools that we have thanks to SWOOP Analytics, such as being able to download and curate for, say, a particular leader, and say, here's where you stand on, the engagement level. Here's where leader X stands, and we create these friendly competitions, and they then go out there and try to increase their engagement. In addition to that, another thing that we did is created a Yambassador group, so ambassadors for the platform itself. So we kind of tracked, once we got SWOOP Analytics, where you can see the influencers. So we went out to those influencers and said, hey, we want you to be a part of these communication efforts and using them to really also tell the story. And the other good thing about the analytics tool is, when you hear employees or leaders say, it's such a waste of time, if you're on there liking things, I could give you 10 other things to do. But when you have the data to show them that, no, people are not just on here just for giggles, it's actually they're doing work, and it's important work, and also seeing the lines of, we throw out the term collaboration. But if you can actually see those collaboration points through analytics tool, whether it's SWOOP or any other ones out there, that's powerful.
What do you think your most important metric is? What, if you had to choose one piece of data that you think shows the engagement in your community, what would that be?
For me, I guess it would be the influencers, because that number changes. So I'm monitoring this, every month, and I send a report to my manager, and I see it fluctuate. And so for me, that's important, and a useful tool. In particular, the report I send to my manager, who's head of internal communications in North America, is consistently in the top 3. And that's fine with her, and it's fine with me, even though I'm the manager of Yammer, but it just shows that it takes everyone to build the network. So when I see that, unlikely foes would be on the top 10 of the influencer list is quite impactful.
But an influencer is not a person who posts the most, right? Those aren't the people that we care about.
No. Okay. This is someone who is, they're engaging through all sorts of ways. They're either responding, or they're liking things, they're posing questions, they're inviting others to join the network.
Great.